Are you spending a ton of money on store-bought skincare products that promise to leave your skin looking rejuvenated, while removing any and all blemishes? Have you had enough of acne and wrinkle treatments that do little outside of leaving you lighter in the pocketbook? Maybe you should get rid of all those expensive products and start using natural remedies to provide you with clearer, healthier skin. Take a look at 6 little-known skin treatments from Korea. 1. Seaweed mask. Algae from the sea is great for the skin. Seaweed can be used as a mask for the face by simply placing the sheets in warm water and applying to your skin. It's best to let them sit for 15 minutes to get the full effect. This will allow you to absorb all of the vitamins, minerals, and bacteria-fighting properties. 2. Hot towel massage. When heat is applied to the skin, it promotes better circulation. It also opens the pores and allow our skin to breathe. To give your face a hot towel massage, all you need to do is soak a clean towel in hot water and immediately apply it to your face. With the warm towel, slowly massage your face for about 15 minutes. When you're done, don't forget to put on oil to nourish the recently treated area. 3. Moisturize immediately. If you really want to take advantage of the moisturizing process and allow any lotion or cream to fully penetrate your pores, make sure that you moisturize as soon as you dry off from bathing. Since your pores are opened up in the bath or shower, it's best to apply any natural moisturizer no more than 10 seconds after you've dried off. 4. Citrus treatment. Citric acid works wonders for ridding your pores of excess dirt and oil and removing dead skin cells. To take advantage of the healing powers of citric acid, just squeeze half a lemon into a bowl and use a cotton ball as an applicator. Your skin will thank you, as the lemon will leave it bright and clear and feeling fresh. 5. Soy milk. Even professional cosmeticians in Korea use soy milk in their treatments, not to mention others who use it at home as a home remedy. Here's one of the most widely used and trusted recipes. Soak some gauze in soy milk and apply it generously to the skin. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes so it can nourish and rejuvenate your skin. It's recommended to use this recipe up to twice a week. 6. Sea salt treatment. Sea salt can disinfect your skin while getting rid of unsightly blackheads. It restores damaged skin and calms areas that have become red and inflamed over time. Mix 1 tablespoon of sea salt with a glass of warm water. Stir the mixture well to dissolve the salt. Then dip a cotton ball into the salt water and wipe your face. Make sure you stay away from any cuts or abrasions. If you like our video, please leave a comment and share it. Thanks for watching.